Hey everyone, it is Christian from RackNerd. Is everyone excited? In just a few moments, I am thrilled to bring you the much anticipated announcement for RackNerd's LowEndTalk Black Friday 2024 giveaway winners. Thank you all for tuning in and for being a part of this incredible journey. Before we get into it, on behalf of the entire team at RackNerd, we would like to express our appreciation to you and the community for consistently recognizing RackNerd as a top provider year after year. Your continued trust and support means absolutely everything to us and fuels our passion to deliver the best hosting experience possible. This Black Friday was our biggest yet, and it was truly unprecedented. And we achieved new records with over 3 million views on our Black Friday thread. A highlight this year was the launch of our brand new Dublin data center location. The demand was absolutely crazy, and it's been amazing to see how excited the community has been about all of this expansion. Behind the scenes, we've been working tirelessly to provision new infrastructure in order to keep up with demand and the amount of orders we've been receiving, not just in Dublin, but across all of our locations. Overall, 2024 has been a monumental year for RackNerd. We are incredibly proud to share that we made it onto the prestigious Inc. 5000 list. Nationally, RackNerd ranked at number 1,506 on the Inc. 5000, which is an extraordinary achievement. Regionally, on the Inc. 5000 Pacific list, we came in at an impressive number 58. And within the national 5000 rankings, we were number 16 in the telecommunications sector. Wow. These milestones would not have been possible without your trust in our services and your role in helping RackNerd grow. Throughout this Black Friday season, we've been giving back to this amazing community with hundreds of random giveaways, from VPS plans and reseller hosting services to service extensions, RackNerd account credits, swag, free resource upgrades, and even cash prizes. We know how much effort has gone into refreshing those F5 keys, and we truly appreciate your engagement and enthusiasm. Now, the moment you have all been waiting for, we are going to reveal the main giveaway winners. Let's quickly recap the prizes up for grabs. All right, everyone, here is how we are going to select the winners for our main giveaway. We've compiled a complete list of the LowEndTalk usernames who have commented on our Black Friday thread over at LowEndTalk. To ensure fairness, we will be using an online list randomizer tool to shuffle the list fair and square. Once randomized, we will match the names at the top of the list with the prizes in the exact same order they were announced earlier. So the first username will receive the first prize, the second username will get the second prize, and so on and so forth until all prizes have been awarded. This means the top 93 users on the randomized list will each walk away with an exciting prize. Excited? Let's make it happen. I'll go ahead and share my screen so we can go over the process together. All right, here we go, folks. I've got the full list of usernames here in Notepad. These are all the participants who commented on our thread, and just so you know, I've already taken out any RackNerd staff members, giving you an even better shot at winning. I'll scroll through the list slowly so you can take a quick look. Let's go ahead and copy this. Now let's go ahead and pull up a list randomizer from Google. I'll paste the list here from my clipboard. Let me scroll through the list one more time, take another moment to check it out. For quantity, we're going to put 93 because there are going to be 93 winners in total. And let's hit run. And there we have it, folks. Congratulations to all of the 93 winners shown here. We will be sharing a list of these 93 winners on LowEndTalk and tagging each user. Dustin will be sending a direct message to the winners within the next 72 hours. So if you are a winner mentioned here, please keep an eye on your DMs for us. Thank you all for joining us for this exciting giveaway announcement. We truly appreciate you taking the time to be a part of this special event. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, RackNerd TV, so you don't miss out on the awesome content that we have coming your way. And if you're looking for great deals on our VPS services and more, check out our current specials by heading over to racknerd.com/specials. Happy holidays, everyone, and take care.